Well, hello, Divi Nation. Welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new Perfumery Layout Pack we think you'll enjoy. The Perfumery Layout Pack is sure to revitalize any online perfume or perfumery shop. Products are unveiled with potent photography, backed by a fresh and serene design. And the effective use of white space makes content very easy to read and products way more appealing. With a dedicated shop page and product page, you can quickly give your perfumery shop the web presence it deserves. So go ahead and check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new Perfumery Layout Pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts like the Perfumery Layout Pack to your website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. There, click the Updates tab, then enter your username and API key, and click Save Changes. You'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to get started by creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. So let's go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout, and from the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the Perfumery Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and find the one that you want, select it, and then click to use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, you can go ahead and start editing however you want using the Divi Builder. After you're done, don't forget to select Save Draft or Publish your post. And you'll want to continue that same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made Divi layouts to each of those pages. When you're all done, you're ready to create a new menu for the website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to the menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. And then don't forget to select your display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. Once your menu is ready, you'll probably want to create a static page for your home page. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then for the homepage, select the homepage with the corresponding homepage pre-made layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Perfumery Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We sure do hope that you love the new Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. Don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.